Bukay so much effort, guys, to get some flower there. Look at him. Look at her. Aray ko. See? He really effort so much. Look, oh. I think he's taller. I think if he's stand properly, he's taller than me. Kaluka to si Bukay ay. He's looking that flower, guys. Oh. Look what he is doing. Aray. Like his position. Oh, maybe that's his favorite. So look, oh. He's trying. She is trying to stand up, guys, to get that flowers. No. Ah, you know, it's like if you are. It's like a human. What I mean is like a person that if you really love to get the food or to eat the food, you really find a way to buy it, right? So maybe this bukay is same. Wait, I get a flower to him, to her. Look at her. Ah, are you going to eat this one? Hmm? Wow, he's cute. Let's put a little up. Let's put a little up. Let's try. Hi. Ay! Look at her. Shucks, I have mosquito in my legs. Aray, aray, aray. No, no, no. Bye-bye, Bukay. See you later, Bukay. Bye-bye.